Hey, welcome back. So this is going to be another training of BrowSEO IA, and this time I'm going to be automating Gplus. Again, I'm not going to go through all of these. The next video I'm going to do is if this then that. I'm just going through Facebook and Gplus because these are they're the most popular networks. And they cover everything that you need to know about using macros with what you have here. So we've got all of the explanations here, which is the main thing that you need to understand. So again, just to recap, when you hover over each one, that is the data, which correlates to the data here. So that means that if you need to, so you need to put keyword after keyword, one after a line after a line. So you have, keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, and so on and so forth. Hold on a second. Let me just grab that. I'm going to pause quickly and come back with that keyword list. I didn't prepare it this time. Hang on. Okay, here's the list. And I'm just going to grab a couple, post them in there. And that's the data. So that's the keyword, one after another. Join communities. And this is pretty cool because this one is all but the post is the is based on keywords. So we're just going to follow people right now by keyword and join communities, and this likes based on keywords. So it'll do a keyword search and it'll go into likes and posts. And it's all self-explanatory. It tells you exactly what to do. It's automating the basic functions of each one of these social networks. Okay, so that you don't have to do it manually. So let's get started here. So we want to then check these programs. We want just one each. So it's going to pick one keyword and do a search and follow based on that. And that's it. So we're going to do a run, and it should open up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 profiles. And the home page I had set earlier on to Google. So it's going to go to Google first, then it's going to head over to Gplus, and it's going to follow people based on the keywords that I've put in there. It's going to follow, yeah. Okay, so there you go. As we know, we checked already with the go to URL script earlier on. And there you go, we've got collections. It's following, as you can see, following there. You can see the highlight, it's following it. Following down there, following. So they've all done exactly as you can see, the little, this is done. These are all done. Okay. Okay, great. So that's it. And we've only picked one keyword for each one. So you can see this is done motivational quotes, build muscle, bodybuilding pills, motivation. So that now is given you, again, one keyword per line. So it's picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that correlates to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's it. If you're going to want to do join communities, it's the same thing. It's all keywords. So you could just literally go 1, 2, 3. That's without the URL, so that's something else. And then share by keyword is one of my favorites. So I'm going to do a few of those right now. Let's just do one of those now. So we're going to do the same thing now. We're going to go and we're going to randomize it so that, you know what, let's randomize that. Okay, and that's going to pick like one keyword, 1 to 2. By the looks of it here, it's picked 1 to 2. It should pick 1 in each one. It might have a little bit of tweaking we might have to do still to this randomizer by the looks of it, but the idea is it's going to go and pick random keywords, and it's going to share it. So let's just, instead of checking all of them, let's just check 3, 4 so that we can see them all happening in the screen. Okay, and run. So now what this is going to go do, and this is actually one of my favorite scripts, it goes out, does a keyword search, and again it's got the customization now so that each one is going and doing a totally separate keyword search, and it's going to find a post that's doing muscle building, workouts, motivation, and bodybuilding, and it's going to share the post. There you go, sharing it, Gplus, and done. Posted, and posted. There you go. Just gone ahead and shared. It's engaged. It's gotten the attention of whoever has made that post. And yeah, okay, so what it's doing is it's going via the randomization that it's outlined there. Some's going to do 1, some are going to do 2. Different keywords. And it's going to pick a different keyword, I believe. Let's have a look at the top one is on supplements here. And this is on bodybuilding supplements, bodybuilding motivation, and build muscle. So it should go and pick another random keyword. So yeah, bodybuilding supplements, bodybuilding workouts, whey protein. Yeah, awesome. So it's just going and it's picking the different keywords. So even though we still need to make sure that the randomizer is not 100% doing, it's just not 100% accurate by the looks of it, because it's gone ahead and it's not one. It hasn't done one line. It should really go ahead and pick out different lines and only one line. So right here, it's actually picked out 2-3 keywords per line, between 2 and 3. So it shouldn't be doing that. It should be going and doing this. So instead of picking 1, 2, 3, 4, you hit randomize. It should be going and picking like 4 to 4, 8 to 8, 9, 10 to 10, 20 to 20, 25 to 25. But it's not doing that, so we're going to get that fixed, get that to support. And there you go. So that's it. That's automating all of the different options using Facebook, and this was Gplus. Next video is going to cover if this then that, and how you're going to be able to connect all of the recipes. I think that's going to be a little bit of a longer video. I'm going to do 2 videos. One's going to be the connecting, and the other one's going to actually be connecting the recipe. So it's connecting the social networks and then connecting the recipes. So those are the 2 different stages of if this then that we're going to cover in the next video, guys. All right, so see you in the next video, and if you got any questions or queries, anything, as usual, see you in the group.